Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power sunroof, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, compass, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.